Okay, I'm recording now. Thank you for reminding me. Okay, so let's wait for mirror to break out this pattern. We can see $7.4 as our first target. This is where you should be taking out your profit. Your investment here. Okay, and the rest of the back you can always hold till around $10 to $12. And what if it's moving to the upside based on Fibonacci, you can eye on $18.28. But 18 and 28, that could be resulting on a 6 to 10 times, nearly 10 time move from here. So I think if it goes into a FOMO stage, so you can have your eye on $18 as the target, but you should take out your investment somewhere here at $7, at $7 to $7.15. All right. So that's it for Mirror protocol. Seven, then 11, and then 18. Sell half here, sell another half here, and then hold the rest to here. All right, anyone else? No one is asking about Con 98.
Because you're also bullish on it. We thought you were thinking you were about it, you know.
Yeah, I've been talking about it several times, man. So it's a Vietnamese coin. Yeah,
a big bag now. But what is the end target? What do you predict for Coin 98? I also saw that they are hiring people right now.
Yeah, they're hiring many people right now. Several.
They have a lot of capital, you know.
No, they will not be less than $200 million. That's what I can tell you. So they don't have, you have to understand one thing. Any founders, any CEOs, when they working on a project, that will not be for fun. That will always be for profit. And if some rich guy is building on a project, that project will be a good one because they have so many capital, so much capital to put in, and they will never think of selling or dumping on the coin. So if that you can find that one, you can find that project, that definitely will be the good one. And if you're asking about Coin 98 target, so in the next 1 to 2 months, my first target is $10, and for the whole of this bull run, I'm looking at $20 to $40 $20 to $40 target. But if you're asking about something like 3 to 5 or even 10 years, I can say $300, $100 to $300. So as I mentioned before, Coin 98 is not only a wallet, it's an ecosystem, man. And Coin 98 at the moment, they have everything an ecosystem needs. They have a wallet, they have the infrastructure, they have the community, they have the capital to build in the next 5 to 10 years. They have bridges, they have several bridges if you look at their wallet. So they have everything prepared, well prepared for an ecosystem. And yeah, I think the moment that they are announcing something like C98 blockchain, the price will boom.
Yes, yes. So we wait for the target, then we sell our investment, and in the bear market we accumulate more C98, right? For the next
Yes,
bull run, 4 years.
yes.
Yeah, thank you.
No. Anyone else? ILTX. $1.6 billion cap. So here I have a target already for ILTX. So point two, 22 cents, 35 cents, 48 cents, and 56 cents are the target if it can go up to there for the entire bull run. Okay, but I think it will be hard to get there because it is a 1.6 billion market cap coin, and yeah, it's kind of hard to get there. But if you're asking about it, I think you should have a bag of it. But yep, if you have not had a bag of it, I don't think it's a good entry to buy here. So just forget about it if you don't have a bag. And on go. On go, we're seeing accumulation here. So this has been accumulating. So the moment it breaks out, you can have your rise somewhere here. So $2.8 and $2.8 for 12 billion market cap. Too much, 40% up. If you're a trader, wait for the breakout. Okay. If you're not a trader, and if you're a holder, look for smaller cap coin. All right. So I don't think it's a good buy here for algo. But if you're a trader, you can wait for the breakout and have your right at 2.3 to $2.8. 2.4, 2.5 to $2.8 as a target for a trade. You should buy a mic next time. Nice guy. Anyone else that want to ask something? Okay, guys, if you don't have any other questions, shall we close the session by now? It's only Excel and Mid Universe. This one. Yeah, only this app and Mid Universe and Excel. So I manage most of my portfolio on, but mostly on Excel. I don't use many apps.
Okay, I want to thank you for all your effort and your great calls, man. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Also,
Okay.
thank you for being here.
Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.
See you, man. See you next time.
Hello, VUX.
Hi, Jay. Correct.
Yeah, Jay. So I asked a question, but I think I had to leave and come back, so I didn't hear when you answered it. But my question was, let's say you invest in a coin, and you have the target markers, right? At those markers, do you take out your initial investment, or you take a portion of your investment, or you take a percentage of the entire bag? Like, what is the formula?
Okay, so basically I don't have a formula. There's
Oh,
not a formula for all of the coin. It actually depends on each of the coin. But most of the time, like 99% of the time, if I'm in a shit coin, like
mhm.
something below $100 million market cap, so I always take my investment out when I make a 2x move. Okay,
Oh,
so
okay.
it's 99% of the time on a shit coin, but on something good like Solana, I didn't take my investment out until $20. Why?
Oh, okay.
Because and even for DOT, I have never taken out my profit, my investment in DOT, because I believe in its future. And for those coin, I'm just accumulating. The same thing for Casper. I'm just accumulating. I'm not taking my investment until I make like 5 to 10x. Is for those things, I only take my investment out based on uh, the Bitcoin move. If I see some bad move in Bitcoin, I'll be thinking of taking my investment out, and I will rebuy when the Bitcoin finishes accumulated a corrective move. So,
Okay.
but in a shitcoin, I won't take my investment when I make a 2x gain. But
Okay.
if
Okay.
you're like you're having like less capital, the safest thing that you can always do is take your investment out whenever you make a 2x gain, because yeah, whatever it is, your first priority should always be protecting your portfolio, correct? So
Mm-hmm.
I think that will be the safest move if you don't really understand about the coin that you're in, right? So it should always be safe first, and take out your investment when you make a 2x move, 2x gain.
Okay. Makes sense.
Yeah. Anyone else?